Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making this origami transformation model. To create this model, I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper. This is slightly thicker than the normal origami paper. By keeping the color side on the top, I'll be starting with the cross crease. Turn the paper and do the plus crease. Do the plus crease on the back side too on the same crease lines. It helps to collapse the model easily. Then by keeping the white side on the top, bring these two sides to the center crease. Open the flaps and bring these two sides to the center crease. Bring this tip to this point and make a crease. Now we have created a small triangle. Now bring this tip to this point and create a big triangle. Repeat these two steps for all the four sides. Now the pre-creasing is almost done. We can see 5 squares. Now collapse the model as demonstrated. Fold this triangle on right hand side and fold the triangle into half. To keep it firm, you can use small cellophane tape. Repeat the same thing on all the four sides. Then collapse the model like this. All the four corners will come to a point and in the back it should look like a flat square. Origami convertible model is ready. By pressing these 2 points, you can convert into cuboid. To get the previous shape, you can collapse it like this. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.